Morning. It is a pleasure for me to present the results of the research titled Marketing Strategies as a Determining Factor to Achieve Competitive Advantage in Microenterprises in Southern Quintana Roo. This research was made in 2020, and the research team is formed by professors Verónica Bolaños López, Elda Verónica Martínez Mena, María de la Paz Gómez Lanzagorta, Francisco José Medina Ocampo, José Luis Martín Macías Gudiño, and Roberto Alcocer Vasconcelos.
This research work studied the case of 6 companies in the center and south of Quintana Roo, which were chosen based on their needs, availability, and viability. The study is intended to address the main causes of lack of competitiveness through the design of commercial strategies consistent with the markets, customers, and product of the subject of study, in order to provide them with tools for positioning and ultimately result in increased profits. The general objective of this product is to identify areas of opportunity in the commercial strategies used by micro and small businesses in central and southern Quintana Roo in order to generate proposals that will help to position their products or services in the local, regional, and national markets. The specific objectives are to analyze the commercial strategies used by micro and small entrepreneurs with particular attention to the market, customers, and product. Detect the strengths and weaknesses of the commercial strategies used, particularly related to the market, clients, and product, and to design and propose commercial strategies according to the product. The research presented considered 6 microenterprises from different commercial sectors in the center of southern state of Quintana Roo. The selections of the samples was of qualitative chain type, since the interviewees were asked to recommend similar businesses to carry out the information gathering. After the project participants were selected, a survey about their commercial strategies was applied. This research uses a qualitative approach oriented towards exploration, description, statistical analysis, and understanding of the needs in order to achieve its business objective, in addition to being a non-experimental descriptive cross-sectional research design. Among the results obtained from the visit to the aforementioned companies, the lack of promotional material to promote sales was detected as the main disadvantage in all cases.
Recommendations were made according to the specific needs of each company. In the case of Moda Maya, in social media, it was suggested the creation of a website with online point of sale in English and Spanish, and the creation of a digital product catalog using detailed images of the products to visualize the texture and the equivalences of the sizes in other countries. In promotion, it was suggested the redesign and printing of a magazine-type catalog and the use of mannequins for product promotion. In communication, conducting a photo shoot for the catalog, as well as the use of recycled personalized paper labels, and also the production of an outdoor roll-up canvas curtain with the company's logo. As a public relations strategy, the design of an embroidery catalog, the distribution of a catalog in common tourist areas, the design of brown paper bags with logo, and finally, the establishment of agreements with schools for uniforms and graduations. In the case of La Mesticita, the recommendations were the next. In sales promotion, to create a customer database to offer promotion on the customer's birthday. Also the use of promotional material like USB devices with popsicle or snow cone shape, stuffed animals, t-shirts, etc. Also the use of a sidebar at the point of sale, since there are few tables. In communication, it was recommended to offer the students a discount on their grade average upon presentation of the corresponding month's report card. Also the use of an exterior canvas for the business with the name and logo of the company. In sales promotion for children, To offer coloring sheets to color on the spot, the drawing should preferably be related to the business, and also the design of a reusable water container with the company's logo so that the public can carry it, offering additional discount to the price for the use of this ecological glass. Finally, in public relations, to develop an application for the customer to keep track of the purchases and have benefits for accumulation of points. And finally, to consider the use of fortune cookies inside the ice cream as an added value of the product. In social media, it was suggested for the company Melitzac the creation of a website with point of sale in both English and Spanish, and also to promote an apiary experience through the Airbnb website, as well as the design of a digital catalog of the products with description and benefits. In promotions, the suggestion was the redesign and printing of a magazine-type catalog with the most representative models for men, women, and children, and also the use of mannequins for product promotion. In public relations, to offer courses or workshops to learn about the benefits of articles made with Melipona bee honey, and the participation in tourist fairs. It was highly recommended also the agreement with tourist transportation companies for guided tours to the apiary and the store. In promotions, the handling of frequent client cards, also promotional bags and t-shirts, as well as refrigerator magnets, and B-shaped molds for the soaps. For the mechanical workshop Alcocer, it was suggested in merchandising the use of an exterior canvas for the business with the name and logo of the company. Also in promotion, keychains with bottle opener and t-shirts with logo. In social media, the implementation of the Facebook page as well as the web page creation. And finally, as an after-sales service strategy, to elaborate a satisfaction survey that allows the businessman to know the quality of the service provided, and also to implement a customer loyalty card. For El Encanto, the recommendations are: in sales promotion, the design of sports t-shirts for volleyball with the logo, and also the design of volleyball balls with the logo on them. In social media, the creation of a web page, and also to keep Facebook page updated through content marketing. As a positioning strategy, to include its services in the TripAdvisor platform, which will allow for greater positioning by reaching new markets. And finally, as an after-sales service strategy, to elaborate an instrument to apply satisfaction surveys. Finally, for Dental Cake Company, the recommendations are the next ones. In sales promotion, to carry out promotions for clients through social networks, and also to create a block of self-adhesive sheets with a logo and watermark to be given to clients. In social media, the redesign of the Facebook page, and it is recommended to include opinions of satisfied customers. In social media, to develop a web page that includes the services provided by the clinic. And finally, as an after-sales service strategy, to implement a customer loyalty card, as well as producing pens and t-shirts with logo to give to customers.
In conclusion, during the visits to the microenterprises, it was found that those with the least commercial development are those with the greatest need for marketing consultancy. It should be noted that of the 6 analyzed, none had an established commercial plan, a factor that led to the strategies being carried out in an improvised manner.
Thank you for your attention.